Hi, I'm Israel, an Open Academy student at Carnegie Mellon working on Review Board. This week I'll be demoing the last changes I've added to the project I've been working on, which is to add custom field types to review requests. Check out my last demo video if you haven't already. To start off, I've been working on refactoring a lot of the existing code I've already written, just overall to improve the code quality and to solve a few issues I was having. The main change here is I moved the creation of the HTML fields to the backend side rather than in the JavaScript as I was doing before. This helped me solve a lot of problems I was having when it came to populating the initially selected option for a field, or populating, for example, the options you can select when you open up the drop down. So that's over with, and going forward all new fields will have their HTML created in the backend side. The other feature I've been working on is adding support for two new field types, which is the date time picker here and the radio button. So the first is the date time picker, and as you can see, you can select the date using jQuery UI's date picker and select the time that you like. You can publish those changes, and when the page loads, you'll see that the date time is loaded in the user's preferred time zone, which you can set in your profile. But when the date is saved, you'll see that, if I can get to it, you'll see that the date is saved in UTC so that it can easily be converted to any user's time zone, not just the person who created it. So that's a date time picker. The other option, the other field I've been working on is the radio button field. And just like the drop down field, you can select an option, publish those changes, and those changes will be saved. And I've added it here to the side just to demonstrate that these fields work anywhere on the review request page, not just in the main field set. So that's what I've been working on. The semester is over, and while that's true, I do still plan on contributing to Review Board when I can. Moving forward, the main things I want to do is improve the UI for really all the fields. I think these could look a little bit more pretty. Especially I want to improve the UI for the time picker here, because right now it's just 3 drop-down options, which sort of, it does work, but I feel like there's a lot of improvement that can be used. Also, I would like to write unit tests for the changes I've been making in the backend side as well as the front-end side, because Review Board is very big on having unit tests for everything and really just having high code quality. And last but not least, I still plan on adding support for a custom field type defined by extension hooks, so that all users well, forget about that, but I still plan to add support for custom field types defined by extension hooks so that all users can easily create new field types without having to modify the core of Review Board. So overall, I think I've had a great time this semester. I've learned a lot about Django and Python. I've definitely learned a lot about code review working with the Review Board team. And I've also had a lot of fun too. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you all have fun coding on your own too.